Introducing ASUS Zenfone Max Pro M3. This is incredible. A smartphone with front glass and plastic frame. And 6.7 inches display. Resolution 1440 by 3040 pixels and 19 by 9 aspect ratio. Protected by Gorilla Glass 6. Android 10 operating system. Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor and Adreno 616 graphics. 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Triple rear camera, LED flash. Front camera under display. 3.5mm headphone jack and micro USB 2.0. USB on the go. Fast under display fingerprint scanner. (5000 mAh battery with fast battery charging 15 watts. ASUS Zenfone Max Pro M3. This is incredible.